Hey guys, Stream from the Iron Miners here. Today I'm going to be reviewing a toy, the 12th Dr. Sonic Screwdriver single button version. Okay, so let's see the box. Same thing as the 11th. Yeah, Lego stuff back here. Let's just get into the toy. Okay, I already played with it a bit, so yeah. Here it is. It comes a bit extended if you were to open the box in normal. Nope. There we go. Okay. So let's get into the details. Here we go. The LED is pretty good. The claws aren't shut tight, as you can see here. One like that. These things are open. I don't like that either. So what I like is everything right here. Like, this is pretty cool. This toy is pretty cool. This is hard. This is hard. The whole toy is hard. So yeah, the LED is pretty light. I'll show you what the sounds. Alright, so let's get into the sounds. First one, wait. Wait, no. Wrong sound effect. No, I'm not gonna end it. Okay. First sound effect. Second sound effect. Press 3 for this sound effect. Press 4 more for this sound effect. See if Frizzle's there. I don't know what's gone. Yeah. So cool. Extend it. So yeah. Instead of pressing this button, when you press this button, sometimes it won't work. Yeah. So you gotta press this button right here. So one right there. You can see. No, wait. Oh my god. Wait. Okay. See the little button there? You gotta press it. Oh. Yeah. Same little thing. What I like. Instead of going like that, you just press a button, extends. It's a pretty huge string. Okay, so to reveal the battery capsule, open it up, extend it. Okay, you're gonna twist it, and you can see here, twist, pull. Ow, it's hurt. I hurt my wrist. And unscrews this right here. Yep, right there. And the batteries are revealed. This brings batteries, so don't worry. It's really hard to put back. Alright. Yeah. Pretty much this is this video. What do I think of this toy? It's pretty cool. I like it. Just some minor stuff. It's missing a bit. Never do that. So yeah, that's the review. If you guys enjoyed it, peace. Geronimo!